This is our school. The name of the school is Stilling School. There is about 800 students and 16 to 17 teachers and educators. It's a big school with big classroom, playgrounds and so on.
Let's try to go inside. In Denmark we go to school in 10 years in the public school. You start in the age from 5 to 6 in the kindergarten, and then you just go up to the 9th grade where you leave the school. After 9th grade you go to gymnasium or training after school. It probably takes 3 to 4 years, and you go to university or education. In Denmark we get money to go to school. We call it SU, and we get it from age of 18 if you are taking education. This is our library. This is our hall where we are doing sports.
This is our canteen. This is
The teacher room.
I'm Frederikke. I'm Iben.
And I'm Mette. How is it to go to school in Denmark? It's good.
Yeah, fine.
Who are you hanging out with?
Hanging out with the girls.
What is your favorite school subject?
Sport. Yeah.
How is the teachers?
Good. Very nice.
Yes.
Especially Morten. What do you think about our class?
I think it's first of all it's a good mixture with a good balance between the amounts of boys and girls in the class, and I think it's a good class in the sense that it's the kids in your class are quite bright.
What do you think about the other teachers?
I have a lot of nice colleagues here at the school. I really like my colleagues. Having good colleagues is one of the reasons why you come to work.
What do you think about the Danish school system?
I really like the Danish school system, and I like this school a lot in particular. I've been at a couple of different schools in my teaching career. I've been a teacher for 12 years, or 13 years now, and I like this school a lot. Firstly, it's the students at these schools are usually well prepared and intelligent, outgoing students, and there's a good atmosphere in amongst the teachers, and I like coming to work every day.
Why did you choose to be a headmaster?
Well, I've been deputy principal in this school for about 6 years, and suddenly I got the possibility to be the headmaster. And now I'm in this job, and I find it very interesting. It has a lot of good subjects, a lot of good challenges, and I find it very interesting.
What do you think about the Danish school system?
I think maybe Stilling School is the best school I've ever worked on. I find it it has very good teachers. There's a good humor. They work a lot, and they make very good teaching in the classes for the pupils. And we have a lot of good cooperation with the families, with the parents.
What do you think about our school?
I have a very good contact to some of the pupils. Of course, when you have 700 pupils, you can't have contact to all of them. But sometimes I have good contact to one class, and in other periods it's another class. And for the time being, it's our pupils' council, as we call it. I work with them because they are members of the board in the school, and I have talks with 2 of the pupils there. And we make some arrangements together when we go on holidays and have our gatherings in the big gym hall